Hidden deep within the jungle stood a kingdom unlike any other. Here, every soldier had a purpose, and every life depended on the colony. Something had entered their jungle, but they still didn't know what was watching them. High above the trees, the hunter finally saw what had been hidden from the world. The colony continued its peaceful life, unaware that the hunter had already chosen its target. He stepped only a little beyond the safety of home, never knowing the sky was following him.
He looked up, but there was no time left to run.
They watched helplessly as one of their own was carried away, and nothing could stop the sky-born hunter. They knew they could not outrun the hunter, but they refused to stop chasing. They chased until their strength was gone, but the hunter was already beyond their reach.
They returned with empty hands, carrying only the memory of.
They had lost one of their own, and for the first time, their peaceful kingdom felt powerless. They would not fight blindly, and this time, they would fight with a plan. Shields up, spears forward, hold the line. We train, we fight, we protect the colony. They trained together, moved together, and slowly became ready to face the sky. The hunter had returned, but this time, the colony was waiting for him. This time, they did not run. They stood together and faced the hunter. They had discovered the hunter's pattern. Now they were ready to turn it against him. The hunter attacked exactly as they expected, and this time, the trap was waiting. The trap could slow the hunter, but it could not hold him forever.
The first plan had failed, so the ants created something stronger.
This time, they would not fight for survival alone. They would fight to end the threat. This time, the hunter flew straight into their hands. The hunter was powerful, but hundreds of brave hearts were stronger together. For the first time, the hunter realized the hunted had become the stronger force. They had waited for this moment, and now the hunter could no longer escape. The hunter had fallen, and the colony had finally learned that courage could defeat even the sky. They had lost one, but together they had saved everyone else. They could not change what happened, but they would never forget the one who gave them a reason to become stronger.
They had survived the danger. Now they would make sure they were never caught unaware again.
After the storm had passed, life slowly returned to the colony, but they would never be the same again. After the storm had passed, life slowly returned to the colony, but they would never be the same again. After the storm had passed, life slowly returned to the colony, but they would never be the same again. Peace had returned, but deep inside the jungle, something else was watching. The eagle was gone, but the jungle still had secrets they had never seen.
The battle was over, or so they thought. The prisoner had become the attacker.
If it escaped now, the colony would be in danger again. One warrior could not stop it, but an entire colony could. The stronger it fought, the harder they refused to surrender. The stronger it fought, the harder they refused to surrender. Its final burst of strength was not enough. Victory was no longer about defeating it. It was about surviving together. The battle was finally over, and their home was safe. At last, the danger that haunted them was under their control. They became heroes not because they were fearless, but because they stood together. They lost one, they protected many, and together they became stronger than fear.